Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video. This time I made this wig and I'm gonna put that in a separate video of how I made this wig, but I'm uploading this one first. This is gonna be how I styled this wig. This is a closure wig. It's a 24-inch. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the skunk type of inspired vibes with the two highlighted in the front, and then we're gonna crimp the wig. We're gonna wash it out, crimp it, and style it so we can, you know, get it ready for my clients. We are bleaching hair right now using the BW2. I'm just gonna separate my sections on my hair in the front, how much my desired length. I could have just did 2 strips, but I kind of did them all the way down the side so the whole kind of frame of the face would have those highlights, that skunk inspired look. But it's gonna be dark. I didn't lift it too much. If I wanted to go lighter, I really could, because I could have put some foil on it and, you know, had it go much lighter. But I just decided to keep it at, you know, a nice little 30. I say a 30 right before I get to the 27. So right here I'm just mixing my mixture up, and y'all know how we do this. Get the consistency you want, not too thin, not too thick. And then we're gonna see me apply it to the hair, wash it out, and then I'll be back to kind of, well, girl, I don't even need to be talking about all this. Like, y'all know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wash it out after I bleach it, and then we gonna crimp it. Like, okay, Harry, you ain't got to do all that, but okay, y'all, for real, we finna get to it. So we got the bleach all applied, y'all. We just gonna put a paper bag over it to kind of smother it a little bit so that the color can really penetrate and lift. And then we gonna go on ahead and blow dry the hair. This is like a tedious process. Y'all know how this go. And then we're gonna get ready to get into the styling and get into that crimp down. What? Okay. So let's go, y'all. Let's get into this body yaddy yaddy though. I had to slow it down a little bit for y'all. Ooh, girl, look at her. I really love this hair. I'm testing out this hair right now, so I'm feeling it though. I love this hair, y'all. Like, ooh, yes. We finna get into this crimp though. This crimp down that we finna do right here, it's not to be played with. This what I want to say. I don't know what in God's green earth made me do the, girl, my heat just came on loud as hell. But when the first section that I parted, I started from the bottom and started crimping up. I don't know what made me do that. Like, I just had like a brain fart or something, and I started from the bottom and went to the top for whatever reason. But you want to start from the top of the hair and move down. Like, I don't know why in the hell I did that, but as I was doing it, I was thinking like, this don't even feel right. But you'll see the rest of my hair is gonna be crimped from the top to the bottom. So this is self-explanatory. Those are the ions from Sally's. That's the best crimper on the market, okay? But it still turned out cute. So we're gonna get into this crimp down. This part gonna be a little tedious, you know. Y'all know how it is. Just part in small sections. The smaller it is, the more, you know, crease down big baby gonna be. So, you know, let's get into the crimp.
2 hours later.
And this is our final look. Ah! Girl, she cute. Somebody already bought her, so she is sold. But I just love this wig. It's so cute. I really want to keep it for myself, but I decided to sell it. But yes, I do make custom wigs. So if you want your girl to make you a wig, oh, okay. It's a slight crimp though. It really could have got into. I could have got more wavy, but I kept it slight. I kept it cute though. But I do customize wigs. I do make wigs in the Milwaukee area. I have a salon at 3525 West Silver Spring Drive. You can give me a call, follow me. I'm gonna have all my social media platforms at the end of this video and in the description. I thank y'all. I really appreciate y'all for watching my channel. I'm trying to get this editing together, but it's cool though. It's cool. But take a look, get into it. Oh, okay. I thought somebody that wanted their hair crimped said something. Oh, okay. Yes, I'm feeling her. She ready. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.